Let's have another look at the business world, and basically we're still on G20 watch. Investors very much on the lookout for any trade war developments from the summit, and of course also looking at stronger signs from the local property market as auctions take place this weekend. Chris Kohler joins me now. Chris, amidst all of that, how is the market opening today?
Stuck to the sidelines mode pretty much all week, Tom. Really, that's the case. We're all looking for what's going to come of the G20 summit. This is global markets now looking for leads on how to approach next week. As we talk in Australia, down 0.2% this morning to 6,651 points. Interestingly, the banks are moving slightly higher today, doing their best to offset losses in the mining space. It's been a pretty good week for the major miners. Rio Tinto in particular gaining around 4.5% in the first 4 days of the week on the back of solid gains in the iron ore price. Today, some of the heat coming out of that area, though, 2.4% lost today from Rio Tinto as investors look to take a little bit off the table there.
And when we talk the housing market, so another auction weekend, we're looking at the clearance rate, but also how many homes are actually going under the hammer. Once you see them flood back into the market, that's real confidence that things have turned around.
Absolutely, yeah. We were talking just recently about a slow but sure turning point in the pricing market, with CoreLogic numbers showing that the June actually saw a pretty shallow fall in national prices there. So now we're talking about auction clearance rates, which actually have been looking pretty strong lately, above 60% more often than not across the combined capital cities. This weekend proving to be a pretty important weekend to be watching, with hopes there that we will see a pretty hot spring if volumes do pick up, as you say. Melbourne, one to watch in particular here, is the last weekend was the strongest result since March 2018 in terms of the auction clearance rate for Melbourne. Clearance rates there up above 60% for 5 out of the last 6 weeks. So closely watching that. We'll, of course, be digging through the auction clearance rates on business weekend here on Sky between 11 and 12 on Sunday.
Chris Kohler, indeed. Look forward to it. Thank you.